Today we're making raspberry, strawberry and toasted coconut popcorn mini puddings.
These are the perfect treat, or for parties or anything. They're just so easy and fun. So here we go. We've got our nude popcorn, oodles of jam, some coconut all weighed out ready, icing sugar. This is practically all you need, and then some raspberries, tinned or fresh, to go on the top. It is tinned in the recipe book. I'm showing you with fresh today for the vlog. And a small little spoon of butter there as well. So start off, light your pan and pop your coconut in there. We're just going to brown it in a dry pan so it smells amazing and it's all toasted. Brings out all the lovely flavours through the warmth. Pop it to one side and then scrape your butter into the pan and let it melt gently. We don't want it to burn. And then turn off the gas, let it cool down before you add in your nude popcorn and give it a very gentle stir around and leave it to one side. Then what we're going to do is take a teaspoon of our icing sugar and pop that on the plate. This is kind of a serving plate really, so you could use a pretty plate ready if you wanted to, and give that a nice smooth round. And it's about 8 popcorns per mini pudding, so just drop those into the jam and then with a couple of spoons squidge it all together into a nice jammy ball before literally just dropping it into the toasted coconut and giving it a nice gentle swish in there. Just turn it over a few times and sprinkle on top, pop it on the plate. So if you just keep going till you've done all of your balls, and they should look rather like that. And then if you do open tinned raspberries, obviously drain them. It's about 3 raspberries you can fit on the top. But obviously with the fresh ones it looks really lovely and perky to just put one upright on the top, and they look rather fun. Once they're done, pop them in the fridge and then sprinkle with icing sugar just before serving. And there you have it. A gorgeous tea cake, party cake, anytime cake, all good to go and so easy and delicious. And this recipe, along with lots of other fun things to make, is in my popcorn sweet and savoury cookbook. There's savoury meals with popcorn as a part of the meal, really tasty salad, party bites, naughty treats, lighter bites, really lovely things to do and make. There we go, there's our raspberry, strawberry and toasted coconut mini puddings, and there they are with the tinned raspberries. So do hit the subscribe button. There's so many things to make and do at Little Rose Garden Books. Bye.